Ma'am, you were not. Ma'am, let me in.
I was not letting you in. Yes.
I was the first.
Ma'am, I have joined that, ma'am, only, ma'am, when you have sent the link. Ma'am, I have joined. Ma'am, but you have not let me in first. Ma'am, Varun was first.
But beta, you joined then only, but I didn't start the meeting. I just sent the link. I didn't start the meeting only.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have joined.
Ma'am, you have said that to ma'am when you will solve my problem that ma'am how to download.
Ma'am, please send second
Ma'am,
answer
why
again.
Iram is downloading Zoom in the laptop? Ma'am, why?
Why? Because she'll take classes from there. That is why.
Ma'am, because my mobile cannot work for a long time in the Zoom. Ma'am, it can hang.
So Iram,
Yes, ma'am.
go on Google, type Zoom app download.
Ma'am, I have told already, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have told you already.
Ma'am, when I have to click on download, ma'am, then the computer says that you install the Zoom installer, and then I install 4-5 times.
So, ma'am,
Beta, let her finish, no?
now. Ma'am, now I know the problem. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, Sairam, if the ma'am like phone, ma'am, it has downloaded ma'am Play Store.
No.
Ma'am, download center. Ma'am, download center. Ma'am, download center.
Ma'am, we can download it from the Microsoft App Store. Ma'am, there also, ma'am, we can also purchase from there.
But beta, why purchase when you can download it in free? Then why she should purchase it?
Ma'am, but ma'am, on the ma'am, in the browser it is for free, ma'am. But in the Microsoft app download and other apps, there is some cost, ma'am, like
Okay.
10 or 20 rupees.
Now, Iram, everybody be quiet. Let me listen to Iram. What problem she is facing now?
Ma'am, I have many browsers, ma'am, like Opera, Microsoft Edge, ma'am, Mozilla Firefox and Chrome. Ma'am, these are my browsers in the laptop. Ma'am, but I have checked all the browser, and I have done on the Microsoft Edge that Zoom download, and ma'am, it comes that download center. So ma'am, I have clicked on it. Ma'am, that was the only problem.
So, Iram, you should definitely take somebody's help. Call some neighbor. If your mother doesn't know, if she cannot help you, no problem. Call some neighbor. Maybe some neighbor of yours can help you out in doing so. Your cousin sister, your cousin brother, anybody nearby who is very smart in all these things, he can help you out, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, tell to Iram that go on WhatsApp, go on Google and type the WhatsApp link. Then when she connect the phone to the laptop, then there will be a link that you will send. That link come on WhatsApp. That link come on her phone. Then she can connect. Apurva is saying connect.
Okay,
Ma'am,
listen.
Apurva is saying correct.
Beta,
Ma'am,
wait.
Ma'am, when we go download WhatsApp and then click on any Zoom.
What are you saying, Dave?
Ma'am, when we connect our phone to the laptop to
Yes, beta, yes. Iram, now listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you are taking class on your phone right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have a laptop at your home?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a laptop on my desk only.
Dave, please be quiet. Dave, just mute yourself, beta. Now what Apurva is saying that you know how to connect. Dave, mute yourself. You know how to connect your phone to your laptop?
Yes, ma'am. I really know.
Ma'am, I am mute.
Ma'am, I have connected also.
Yes, your WhatsApp is connected to your laptop.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the link that I have sent on you on WhatsApp in your class, just click on that link.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
In your laptop, just click on that link. Okay, directly click the link.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you clicked?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, it is loading.
Yes, it is.
Ma'am, it is loading.
All right.
Ma'am, ma'am, it is saying that click open Zoom meeting on the dialog box shown by your browser. If you don't see a dialog, click on launch meeting below.
So click on launch meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on launch meeting.
Click on launch meeting. Click on launch
It is
meeting.
not opening.
And when you click on launch meeting, 2 options will come.
Right click on the launch meeting. Right click.
Okay. There are many options come.
2 options will
Back,
come.
refresh, save as, prevent, print, cast video to device, read aloud, translate to English, add page to collection, web capture, view page source.
Eden, please wait. On the launch meeting below it, it is showing don't have Zoom in LinkedIn installed.
Slides.
Download now. Click on that. Download now.
Yeah. Click keep when receiving notification. Click Zoom X.
Please take help of some neighbor of yours, beta. Because we can't, we can't see what actually is happening in your laptop, what kind of message you are getting.
You have clicked on download now, then what is it showing?
Ma'am, I have done this.
When
Ma'am,
you
I have
click
done
on
this
download
method.
now, then what is it
Time.
showing?
It is showing the name.
Name of?
Ira?
Name.
Ira?
Yes.
Ira?
Yes. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
your
have done
sound
this
is
method very time, but I have joined the meeting, but ma'am, the sound do not come from yourself and the video do not come, and my video and the voice do not come. Ma'am, the join meeting can be done, ma'am, but these options are not there.
Okay, you can join the meeting, but the video does not open. You mean to say this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, audio also do not come of anybody, and ma'am, I also.
Ira?
So beta, for that you need to check the settings. It is like join audio and all that you have to do.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to do some speaker setting for that.
Ma'am, but I have full my volume and
And
there
in the
is
laptop, there are all settings option.
Yes, beta,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
needs to be set first, no?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. I
where
have
to
also
set?
set
Ma'am,
it
it is the
when
ma'am.
ma'am.
She was saying, ma'am, it is the new computer. Ma'am, so she has to do settings.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. New computer has to do settings in it.
Because it is the new computer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she has to do some settings for audio, video, and others. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we start?
Yes, now Aram, you please continue the class with your phone only. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And try to take help from some elder neighbor of yours.
ma'am,
All right, I'm sure this problem will be sorted out.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a house in front of my house, so ma'am, I will talk to them. My father talk to them.
Yes, good. Now,
ma'am, can
yes. So we were doing question answers from chapter number 20, right?
Ma'am,
Yes,
we will do
Yes,
GK.
ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to do GK. Then GK quiz.
You want to do GK?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Test
ma'am.
paper.
Ma'am, we have to do
It's a
GK.
typing game. Ma'am, typing game
Yes,
of test.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Just
Okay, the typing game.
or test papers.
Okay, the typing game, and then I'm going to tell who was the first one.
Ma'am, that day I was the first.
Yes.
Ma'am, we will write in the chat box.
So we have completed the book. We have completed all the test papers, no? Only the revision
Yes,
is
ma'am.
left.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, you have to tell in the ma'am surprise. Ma'am, in the last, can you tell?
Yes, I will keep it a surprise.
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
Everybody is ready to type. Hands on the keypad.
Yes, ma'am.
Please wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ready.
yes, ma'am.
Question number 1 is
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am,
question number 1 is
Ma'am,
ready.
no, ma'am. To everyone or to you only?
Me personally, everyone, then you will disclose the suspense.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 1 is
Ma'am, you are worrying me.
which is the national tree of Pakistan? My God. So quick that my whole screen is vanished.
Ma'am, please, who is the first?
Okay, now today I'm going to declare the first 3. Every answer I will mark the first 3 winners. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
The next question is in railway terminology, the R in RAC stands for what?
Ma'am, you have not tell the first answer, third winner. Ma'am, 3 winners.
No, I'm not telling right now. I'll keep it a secret.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
it is the suspense.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Question number 3. The name of which desert means waterless place in Mongolian? Very nice. To which group of animals do frog, turtles, and tortoise belong?
Ma'am, what?
To which group turtles, frogs, and tortoise belong?
Ma'am, today here is no person. Yes, ma'am, he is here.
Frogs, turtles, and tortoise. What is the difference between amphibians and reptiles, children?
Ma'am, we have to type.
No, you have to tell me. I'm asking you.
Ma'am, amphibians.
Amphibians live both in water and land.
Both
Very nice, very nice. I could understand each and every word by all of you.
Ma'am, see, Dev is not stopping.
What are reptiles?
And the animals that when the animals that live on ground. Ma'am, are animals that
Ma'am,
have
that live ma'am, the animals that live on wall.
no animals that have cold.
Utsav, what are reptiles?
Ma'am, reptiles are the animals that crawl on the ground.
That crawl on the ground. Do they go in the water?
No, ma'am.
Are they water animals?
No.
Amphibians are what? They live on land and water both.
Ma'am, they live and
Yes.
water both.
Yes, they live on land and water both. So to which
Ma'am,
group
but some,
they
ma'am, but some reptiles like snake and ma'am, but some reptiles like snakes can swim on the water.
swim in water? Okay. Now, Dev, whatever you will speak, you will type in the chat box. You will not speak because the signals on your end are very poor today. Fine. Whatever you are speaking is going like a guitar sound. So, if I asked frog, turtle, and tortoise, they belong to which group? What is the answer? Reptile or amphibian?
Ma'am, amphibian.
Ma'am, amphibian.
Then I can see so many reptiles as answer in the chat box. Reptile is not the answer, beta. Okay, next one.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am, please wait, ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, I have to open the chat box.
Ma'am, now.
What
And
is
now
the
you can-
name of the famous person whose last words were "Don't disturb my circles"? Utsav and Iram. Winston Churchill is not even in the options, beta. You have answered it, but it is not even in the options.
Ma'am, what is the question first?
The
Ma'am, please
question
tell
is,
again.
which famous person's last words were "Do not disturb my circle"?
Ma'am, this was.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Ma'am, this was very past chapter. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, I have sent. Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, who is the first?
Who is the first in this one?
ma'am, this is the suspense.
This is a suspense. Okay. The next question is, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is known for playing which instrument?
Ma'am, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia.
Yes. Done?
Yes.
Okay, the next one. Which of these is known as the land of white elephants?
Ma'am, what is the question?
Wait, let me write the winners first.
Ma'am, please ask a very, ma'am, very,
Ma'am, very difficult question.
Very
Yes,
difficult.
ma'am, very long spelling.
Yes,
The book, The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes was written by which author?
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, what is the question?
The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes was written by which author?
Ma'am, I know.
Agatha Christie, Jules Verne, Arthur Conan Doyle, and Charles Dickens.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I have written also.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Okay, good. Then the ninth one is, who was the founder of Mughal dynasty in India?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Who was the founder of Mughal dynasty in India? One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2. Then the 10th one. What is the keeper of a museum called?
Ma'am, what?
What is the keeper of a museum called? Retina is a part of which organ? What about Agrim, Ashvik, Apurva? Why are you people not typing? Then the 12th question is, who was the first Indian boxer to win Olympic medal? What happened to you, Utsav? I can't see answers from you, beta.
Ma'am, I have typed.
You have typed. Why haven't I received?
Ma'am, what is the question?
Ma'am, after these answers, ma'am, I will tell you one thing about the laptop.
Okay. Which country is known as the land of midnight sun?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now two more questions. Last two
Ma'am,
questions.
okay, ma'am.
All green plants have a pigment called dash. And then the last one is, what is the study of animals called?
Ma'am, this is the last.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, now can you tell the winners?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ma'am, please tell the winners.
Beta, it will take time to calculate. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
There is a tie coming between 3 students. Very nice. Uh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right, students. So it was 1, 2, 3. 3 times it was Rachit who answered first. 2 times it was Jayesh who answered first. Then 4 times it was Lakshita who answered first. 5 times it was Iram. 6 times it was Dev. And it was 8 times Utsav, Prasun and Anshuman answered first. So it's a tie between Utsav, Prasun, Anshuman.
Yay.
And now should I tell how many students were wrong in giving their answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, let me not do that. But you all played very well. It's not about speed, it's about giving the correct answer. All of you are doing really well.
Second, third. Second and
Yeah.
third.
Yes?
Ma'am, you said you said first, second, and
So I
third.
have
First, you said
calculated for each answer, I marked 3 students. The first 3 to answer. So in all, I calculated that it was Anshuman who stood first in giving 8 times his answer. Then it was Utsav also. 8 times he was the quickest to give the answer, like that.
Ma'am, now can I tell the problem of laptop?
Okay, beta, let's come back to your laptop now. Now, when today I will send the recording of this class, I will write down 4th C laptop problem. Okay, I will not write GK or SST. I will write laptop discussion. Yes, Iram, tell.
Ma'am, I have joined the meeting, but ma'am, when I join the meeting, it says this page is having a problem.
This page is having a problem. Now,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when I refresh, ma'am, there is a refresh button, and then I have refreshed, and then the meeting come, and then only that page is not, ma'am, that page is not displayed. Ma'am, it comes here.
now Iram, see, it has to be shown to somebody, beta. This kind of a problem can't be solved online, na? It has to be solved offline.
Ma'am, can I video call you after all the classes?
After these classes, then I will solve your problem. You think like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Call me up after 3:30. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
I will only free after 3:30 only.
Okay, good. Now, still we are left with 6 minutes. No, 5 minutes. The class gets over at 11:20, right? So we still have 5 minutes with us.
And so we can do one question. So ma'am, we can decide, ma'am.
The winner.
Yes, ma'am. Anshuman, Maya, and Prasoon.
Now I think I should raise the level of this test. Yes. The questions will be from here, but not very simple. Now see, suppose the question is, who is the founder of Mughal dynasty? So the answer is Babur, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I should ask the question other way around. Who was Babur? Now you have to tell the founder of Mughal dynasty.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is a very interesting game, ma'am. Please.
This is an interesting game. Okay.
Then the points will remain same. Then the points will remain same.
Now we will start with new points.
So, ma'am, only 5 minutes are left.
Ma'am, please tell 2 questions that we can answer and exact time that who is the winner.
What do we have in the city of Madurai?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What do we have in Madurai? Madurai. Very nice. Utsav, Jayesh, Lakshita, Anshuman. Very good. We have Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Temple is located in Madurai. Then the next question is, what was Shoaib Akhtar known as? What was Shoaib? Very nice, Iram. Very good, Jayesh. Very good, Apurva. So we have Jayesh, Apurva, and Iram. who answered first. Shoaib Akhtar was known as the Rawalpindi Express.
Express. Ma'am, I have sent the Rawalpindi, but do not send the express. Ma'am, I forgot that to write express also, and I have sent.
No problem. What is Ceylon?
Ceylon.
Ceylon, Ceylon, C-E-Y-L-O-N.
Ceylon.
Ma'am, have you got my answer?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Yes, I have got Iram's answer, Jayesh's answer, and Lakshita. Very nice. It was Sri Lanka's old name.
Ma'am, you were saying Siam.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Was it Siam? Siam was the name, old name of Sri Lanka.
No, ma'am, Ceylon. Ma'am, Ceylon is the name.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Ceylon, but ma'am, I know.
Yes, I said Ceylon. So Ceylon was the
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have said correct, ma'am. Ceylon.
yes. Iram, Jayesh, and Lakshita again on number 1. Very good. Then
My place. Please, my speed.
last question. Which of these? No. What is a glacier? Glacier. Very nice, Iram. Very good. Very good, Devarya, and very good, Anshuman. It's a mass of ice. Good one. Now that's your level test. You people deserve to do this level of test. Okay, children, that's all for this class. It's time to get over.
Ma'am, my points are what?
Now you are the winner of this game. You are on 3 points.
Ma'am, that time I was the winner. Ma'am, what?
Thank you,
me?
ma'am.
What's the winner now?
You are the winner. Anshuman is the winner. And who else? I took one more name.
Ma'am,
Anshuman, Utsav. No, not
Ma'am, Dev.
Utsav. No,
Ma'am,
not
Dev.
Dev.
Ma'am, Prasoon.
ma'am, Devarya.
Prasoon. Lakshita. Yes, Lakshita also. Lakshita, Anshuman, and Iram are the winners of this one. Okay, bye for now. Bye to all of you.